In this video, I'll show you how to replace your Brother original toner, the TN830, in your printer. So let's get started right away. So the toner comes in this package. Let's open it. We will have to remove this orange plastic. There are two of them. So the first one, okay, remove it. You can put this in the recycling bin. And there is another one right over here. It says remove. So simply pull on it. And again, put this in the recycle bin. This is your ink toner, TN830. Your Brother printer can be turned on or off. It does not matter. You're going to find on each side one of these small place where you can stick your fingers, and simply need to bring down this top panel, okay? Just like that. Then you're going to find over here, this is the drum, where you see a green label. Simply stick your finger there, it's a handle, and pull it out. So we'll have to insert the ink toner in the drum. How do you do this? Take your ink toner by the handle. You see, this is a handle. And simply, you see, this is the drum. Put the green label facing you. Simply have to glide it down. And once it's in place, push on the handle until it clicks in place. You should really hear a click. By the way, in the future, when time comes to replace it, and you take away the drum with the toner, to remove the toner from the drum, you have this small lever that you need to push. It will unlatch it, and then you'll be able to take away the toner, put a brand new one, and this is it. Now let's insert it in the printer. So I just have to glide it. And at the end, give it a small push with your thumb. Here you go. It needs to click and close this front panel back.